Welcome to the CA Compliance Event Manager version 6.0 video on how to install the CA CEM app in Splunk. CA Compliance Event Manager supports forwarding security event data directly to Splunk, a popular CIEM platform, using our CA CEM app. Using our app's out-of-the-box dashboards and enrichments, you can gain additional insights into your security events and a holistic view of your organization's security infrastructure. This simplifies the process of identifying potential security exposures, suspicious activities, or abnormalities in system data access, letting you quickly recognize potential threats. Before you begin, please be sure that your Splunk instance is up and running and that you've downloaded the app and sample data files from our FTP server. For the FTP server download path, please visit the CA Customer Validation Community at validate.ca.com. In this demo, we'll install the CA CEM app in Splunk, upload the sample data files, and take a quick look at the list of out-of-the-box dashboards available to you. First, we'll install the CA CEM app in Splunk. From the main Splunk page, click the wheel icon. Then click Install App from File. Click Choose File. Then select the CA CEM app file, which you should have previously downloaded from our FTP server. Then click Upload. Then click Launch App from the Actions column. The CA CEM app is now installed in your Splunk instance. Now let's add the sample data files into the CA CEM app. From the main page, click Settings. Then click Add Data, and click Upload. Click Select File. Select the demo data file, which you previously downloaded from our FTP server. Click Next. Now we'll set the source type and index to CEM-specific values. Be sure that you upload the files with these settings, otherwise the dashboards will not recognize or render the data. To set the source type, click Select and choose Custom CEM Event Data. For the index, select CEM Index. Then click Review. Verify your settings and click Submit. The sample data files are successfully uploaded and available for use. To see the out-of-the-box dashboards, click the CA CEM app icon and click Dashboards. Click on any of the out-of-the-box dashboards to get a glimpse of the visualizations that are possible using the CA CEM app. For more detailed information about the CA CEM app for Splunk, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can go to the product documentation, visit the CA communities, or see the learning paths. Thank you for watching the CA Compliance Event Manager 6.0 demo video on installing the CA CEM app in Splunk.